Well, the summer surge getting worse by the day in Southern California.
Yeah, new infections and new hospitalizations continue to spike. And tonight, some troubling news about how the Delta variant is affecting people who are fully vaccinated. Now, here are LA County's new numbers tonight. More than 2,700 new cases reported today, the highest since February. There were 13 more deaths, and hospitalizations are up to 645 patients, nearly triple from 1 month ago.
KCAL9's Laurie Perez begins our coverage live in Pasadena. Laurie.
Yes, here in Pasadena tonight is the first night that the mask mandate has been reinstated, and people we spoke with know that it's masks tonight, but if things don't get better tomorrow or next week, there could be other pandemic restrictions renewed.
It's very concerning. This is a huge step backwards.
Masks on, masks off, masks back on. If you're out and about in Pasadena tonight, the city is once again requiring face coverings inside, regardless of your vaccination status. And business owners and customers know it could be just the start.
Enforcement is always a tough part, but right now, everybody's frustrated about what to anticipate next.
Whatever we got to do to keep people alive and safe, let's do it.
The move comes as COVID cases are spiking. LA County seeing infection rates it hasn't seen in 6 months. Simply put, experts say unvaccinated people are getting sick and passing it on. LA County says 20% of all new infections in June happened to fully vaccinated people.
When you have a more infectious variant that's circulating, and you see what we see now, lots of community transmission, you can expect exactly what we're seeing.
In LA County, 59% of all people over age 12 are fully vaccinated, but doctors say that's not enough.
I think at this point, you're essentially playing Russian roulette if you remain unvaccinated with your life.
Dr. Thomas Yadegar heads the ICU at Providence Cedars-Sinai. He won't go as far as to say vaccines should be mandated, but says,
the more we allow this virus to replicate, the more we allow this virus to mutate, it's only becoming stronger and more effective, killing patients.
Already across LA County, this new wave of infection is taking a toll on businesses. This popular restaurant suddenly closed, announcing the news on its voicemail.
We have decided to close Bottega Louis West Hollywood for a few days due to increasing COVID-19 cases.
And this clothing store on Melrose is scrambling to cover shifts because of a vaccinated employee who got infected. Her coworkers ordered to stay home.
We really don't have enough workforce to double the workforce to be able to cover those that have to, then be quarantined.
Not enough people getting vaccinated is leading to more infections, more problems, and possibly more restrictions. In Pasadena tonight, the mood was irritated acceptance.
It's the plague of the unvaccinated.
Now, the city of Pasadena also announced this week it will require all city employees to be vaccinated, the first city in Southern California to do so. In Pasadena, I'm Laurie Perez. Back to you.